Aloha mai Kākou, Aloha Kākou, which is good morning. We woke up like around 8 or something, around there. Just got finished getting ready. We're putting on our bathing suits and we're gonna go for our last beach sesh. We're gonna go to our last beach sesh at my favorite beach ever, at Praise. And we're gonna do some more drone footage. It's gonna be so fun. I haven't uploaded a vlog since the first night I've been here. That's because we were in Kaneohe at my in-laws house, and I'm already automatically connected to their Wi-Fi because we've been there like so many times before. But over here at the Waiʻanae house, this is the first time we've been here, and I don't know if they have Wi-Fi. They have like cable and stuff like that, but we didn't like ask yet, and I just haven't had the time because I'm so busy. Anyway, I want to show you guys what I got so far. So Victoria's Secrets, I got these cute high-waisted workout pants, and then I got this cute bra, sports bra, and it has crisscross in the middle, and this is the one I got on this combo sale from Forever 21. I got these hair clip packs. It has a black one and this color. I don't know where the black one is. I got a new beauty sponge that is pink. These cute pineapple socks, I couldn't pass them up, and in between is like pink with white polka dots, and on this one it has mini pineapples. So cute. These are only like $3. This is only $3 as well, and these are the no-show socks, and I just needed more of these. Also got 3 clothing items. These are the same exact thing. It's off the shoulder, and it's also a one piece. Got it in this muted blue and also this black color. I've been wanting these from online, and it's been sold out for like months, and when I seen it in store I had to get it because, like I said, it was sold out online. And I also got that other shirt or one piece that I was wearing yesterday at the zoo. Like you seen yesterday, I got these knockoff Ray-Ban looking kind of specs that are mirrored, and mirrored are my fave. Also, don't mind all these little scarrings above my lip. Basically down here I ended up getting pimples. I don't know why. Usually I don't ever get pimples unless it's my time of the month, you know, when I have my maiʻa. For some reason, I don't know if it's like just hotter weather that kind of just freaked my skin out or something, because where I live it's been hot lately, but it's normally cooler weather versus on Oʻahu, especially on the west side. It's super hot over here. But yeah, I just got pimples above my lip, and I kind of was picking at it, which I shouldn't, and I kind of like made it scar and scab. So for drink today, I got something different. It's not coffee, it's actually tea, and it's that strawberry green tea iced tea with Thai walls, you know, just for a little extra sweetness. Then Darren got Paulele a banana. Hawaiian word of the day is maiʻa, and maiʻa is banana. Maiʻa is banana. Tastes really ono. We give it to lono. What did you get, baby?
I got the orange drink.
Oh, orange drink.
Like one of my
from Java Juice. Classic.
With power, energy boost and vitamin C. 3 turkey wraps. No, here I got 1. No, here I got 2.
Nice.
Yeah. Oh, and I got Paulele the apple, what is it? Apple pretzel.
Oh yeah, the apple pretzel.
Cinnamon.
She loves that. Yeah, that's good.
Chunky strawberry.
Yeah, sounds good. Here is the turkey wraps. And we got the apple cinnamon pretzel. What I got the chunky strawberry. I usually get acai bowls, but I felt like eating something different, so I got the chunky strawberries, and like peanut butter inside, like the main base, and then, you know, bananas and strawberries and granola on top. We're now at Yolks, which is the furthest beach down, right before Kaena Point on the west side. Darren's gonna try to do that. Oh, she said hi. Hi, baby. Cutie girl. She's eating. What are you eating? A pretzel? Is it ono? Yeah, ono. Darren's gonna try to test out that follow me around feature with the drone. We're just gonna test it out and like get some shots of us along the coast. Yeah, we should be good, but he's probably watching YouTube videos right now to see how to do that, because this is the first time we're gonna test that out. And this, folks, is when Darren lost signal with the drone. Couldn't figure out the feature, so he tried to just do it manually and follow the car himself. Tita, are we back at the beach? So usually there's like a big pond over here, but it's filled with sand. So there's another pond, or like a little puka, I should say, not pond, but here's another deep puka you can go in. So it's like along the ocean. So beautiful, my favorite beach. I'm in the cave. So loud. Yeah. Wow, so nice. Ew. A bee. She gets stung? Whoa. How are you enjoying your stay so far?
This is like one of the best trips yet.
Right?
A lot of beach.
Be careful. What is that, baby? It's a pretzel? It's a phone? It's a pretzel. Oh my gosh. Hi. Come on. Whoa. Careful. are back home and now my hair looks crazy. Oh my gosh. I look like a mango lady. Alele is sleeping, so we're just gonna put her on the bed for now. And I'm gonna take a shower because I'm meeting up with my friends tonight. I look seriously scary. Darren is stumbling the stroller. And I'm currently getting ready to put my makeup on. And I'm gonna try and find a video to watch.
This dog was eating stuff in the fridge. Smart dog. Smart dog. The way God made me, the way